Catterson here, but you already knew that, and today we are reacting to Chapter 3 of Volume 2 of RWBY. This is A Minor Hiccup, so something's going to happen in terms of someone screwing up something. And it'll be like, oop, minor hiccup. My bad. No, but past two chapters of Volume 2 have been really, really fun to watch. It's been pretty awesome, and yeah, I can tell some improvements have been made between Volume 1 and Volume 2 in terms of, I think the story is really, really good in quality. I mean, it was for Volume 1, but, you know, I think they're trying to stray away from the development, and it feels more plot orientated now for some reason. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Anyways, let's get reacting to Chapter 3 of RWBY. Can't wait, let's get reacting. Oh, 1 minute before. It's me.
So, Weiss, you know, I was thinking after this, maybe we could go grab a bite to eat. And, you know, well, I've got 2 tickets to that new Spruce Willis movie.
Oh,
if
man.
make the trip to Vale. I hear it's awesome. And then maybe after that we could study together? I mean, you're smart.
Weiss is more concerned with time than...
And then timed that one wrong, I guess. Well, the stunning conclusion to the story will have to wait until next time.
See, why can't my tutors be like that?
Did you hear me?
No, yes. One day.
Love it. Poor John.
I thought that class would never end.
Alright guys, today's the day.
Crap.
The
I've left my spoon in the coffee.
I'm glad to see we're
Minor
taking
hiccup
this
there.
so seriously.
Hey, we've got a plan. That's moderately serious. Right. Everyone remember their roles? You and I will head to the CCT to check the Schnee records for any other dust robberies or inconsistencies. Seeing as I'm in the family, it shouldn't be a problem.
The White Fang has regular faction meetings to hand out orders and recruit new members. If I can get in, I can hopefully find out what they're planning.
I have an old friend on the shady side of town that typically knows everything going on in Vale. Getting information out of him shouldn't be too hard. Great, we'll meet up tonight near Yang to go over what we found. Let's do this!
Yeah.
Oh no! He's
How did you get
something
up
into
there?
the conversation.
Do it all the time.
You do what?
I climb trees all the time. So, are we finally getting back at that torture guy?
We are going to investigate
I
the
think
situation
them four, not you.
as a team.
Sorry, son. We don't want to get friends involved if we don't have to.
That's dumb. You should always get friends involved. That's why I brought Neptune.
Oh, he's been listening as well.
What's up?
How did you even get up here?
I have my ways. Seriously though, can I come in? We're like really high up right now.
Alright,
I really love Neptune.
Son, you can go with Blake. And Neptune, you can go with Yang since she doesn't have a partner. Everyone good? Actually, Ruby, why don't you go with Yang? After all, she is your sister. But I say we go with you then. Well, I guess Neptune could come with me. Nah.
Someone,
But
someone's got the hops for Neptune.
I forget how big the transmitter
Oh, wow.
was so close. You should see the one in Atlas.
I think that
was
I think
the
Neptune would be the
right?
nicest person that
Atlas
Weiss
developed
has
a
encountered.
cross-continental transmit system to allow the 4 kingdoms to communicate with one another. It was their gift to the world after the Great War. Ooh, look at me. My name is Weiss. I know facts. I'm rich. Don't be a pest. Besides,
Kick her
the only
ass.
reason we're here is because you like the tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library. I know, but it's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture. Ah.
Oh.
Oh. You dropped this.
Penny!
Me? Where have you been? We haven't seen you since...
Like, I knew she was returning and whatnot
Sorry,
because
I think
people have
you're
said and
confused.
Torture Boy has said so.
I've got to go. What was that about? I don't know. But I'm going to find out. You go make your call. I'll meet up with you
Something
later.
shifty's going on. Penny, come on.
Where have you been? It's been weeks. There seems to be a misunderstanding.
No.
Penny. Is everything okay? Penny, please stop. Look, I don't know what's wrong, but you have to listen to me. Those guys we fought at the docks, We think they're up to something big. Something bad. I need you to tell me what happened to you that night. Please. As a friend. It isn't safe to talk here.
Someone might be listening. What's going on with Penny? She's not the character I loved. I don't know. Maybe something happened when she got taken in the car. Maybe she got a right bollocking or something. I mean, they did say you never do that.
How may I help you?
I'd like to go to the communications room, please.
Absolutely. Could you please place your scroll on the terminal to verify your identity? Perfect. Thank you, Miss Schnee.
Oh, damn. Yeah, I just want to know what's up with Penny. I'm concerned. She was a great hit in the last 2 episodes.
Welcome to the Beacon Cross Continental Transmit Center. How may I help you?
I need to make a call to Schnee Company World Headquarters in Atlas.
Absolutely. If you could head over to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Thank you.
Holograms.
Hi, Mom. How are things back in Signal?
Damn.
Thank you for calling me Atlas. Oh, Miss Schnee. Good afternoon. Would you like me to patch you through to your father? I think your sister Winter might be here as well.
No, thank you. I was actually wondering if you could find some files for me. I've compiled a short list.
Why does Weiss not want to see me?
See, if you don't mind, what may I ask is this for?
School project.
There are some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Well then, I'll be sure to treat them with care.
Right. Very well. The data's being transferred to your scroll now.
Wonderful. That will be all then.
Are you sure you wouldn't like me to patch you through to your father before you go?
Yes,
Damn.
I'm sure.
Well then, have a nice day.
Damn. Oh, your daughter called. She didn't call me.
I wish I could help you, Ruby, but I don't know anything about those men. Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped? Oh, no, nothing like that. Well, then where did you go? I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too far, but you have to understand, my father loves me
probably.
very much. He just worries a lot. Believe me, I know the feeling. But why not let us know you were okay? I was asked not to talk to you. Or Weiss.
Oh, why?
Or Blake. Or Yang.
Ruby's a good.
Really.
Ruby's a good soul.
That upset? No, it wasn't my father.
The AK-130 has been the standard security model of Remnant for several years. And they have done a fine job, wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree? But the Kingdom of Atlas is a kingdom of innovation. And fine? Well, that's just not good enough, is it? Presenting
Deary.
the Elysian Knight.
Oh, damn.
Smarter, sleeker, and admittedly, a little less scary. These models will come out
Love it.
this year, but they won't be alone. Now, the Atlesian military has always supported the idea of removing men from the dangers of the battlefield. However, there are still many situations that undoubtedly require a human touch.
Ruby.
So, our kingdom's greatest minds, in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to introduce the Elysian Paladin.
Holy sh!
Now, we
Met
don't have
Gear.
enough feats of all, but these mechanized battleships will be seen defending the borders of our kingdom within the year.
Damn.
Ruby, maybe we should go somewhere else.
Oh, dearie. Oh, dearie.
Penny? Wait, where are you going?
You can run for it, Ruby. You're supposed to be fast. Damn. Oh, damn. Oh. I'll slow down a bit. She's getting away from someone who's supposed to be...
This way!
There we go. She just looked so far in the distance and she wasn't that far away. Oh, how the hell did she...
Penny? Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
How the hell did she just...
Did you see that?
Do you think she's okay?
She's okay, but like...
Penny, come back! Can you call the police?
Jesus Christ! Like, did they not see it? Just... How the hell did she just...
Penny! Please! What is going on? Why are you running? How did you do that? I can't. Everything's fine. I don't want to talk about it. Penny, if you can just tell me what's wrong, I can help you. No.
Nothing's
you
right.
Understand.
Nothing's
Let
right,
me
Penny.
try. You can trust me. You're my friend, right? You promise you're my friend? I promise.
She said that in episode 15.
Ruby, I'm not a real girl. Oh.
Holy shit! Okay, so that was chapter 3 of RWBY, and that was an incredible cliffhanger. It seems like Penny is actually a robot, a cyborg. It's Cyborg Superman. No, for the way she looked, it looked like they were kind of like robotic parts. I don't know. When she was offering her hands, I'll try and find it actually. I'll try and find it because I was sure there was robotic parts. Yeah, it is. Okay, the skin they look 2 different colours, so it looks like the skin came off or something. But no, that was a really, really good episode of RWBY there. I mean, I really felt I felt concerned about Penny because chapter 15, chapter 16, she was really fun to watch, and like I said, I was like, oh, I hope Penny comes back. She did, I was enthusiastic, but something was wrong, and that apparently seems to be the case. I think she's been reprogrammed in a sense. Maybe that's why she was acting kind of different, and, you know, like why she, you know, was trying to avoid RWBY and whatnot. She's been, because she said her father, who I assume is her operator as well, told her not to go near RWBY or any of the Team RWBY. So that's kind of sad. Her father deserves one good kick up the backside because you just altered a great character, and that's not cool. So yeah, I'm expecting us to learn a bit more about Penny and whatnot, maybe in the next episode or something like that. I mean, RWBY can't just start gawking at the cyborg hands, but no, it was a really fun episode anyways. I just really loved it and just really felt bad because, like I said, Penny was a character I loved, and now they've monsterized her. What did you do? Those robots do look pretty meta though, but obviously they're going to obviously play a huge factor. Probably in this volume, maybe in future volumes, who knows. And yeah, there's nothing much really I need to say about this episode. It's been pretty awesome. It was pretty Penny related, and yeah, I can't wait to see the next episode. Pretty awesome stuff. So speaking of the next episode is Painting the Town ... I'm wondering if that's Painting the Town Red or something. I don't know. It's probably my YouTube thing saying that, so yeah. But that's going to be Saturday, as well as part 5, which is extracurricular. That's on. So both of them Saturday. If you guys want to watch more of my RWBY, but in the meantime, yeah, that's it for today in terms of RWBY reactions. I hope you guys enjoyed this. You can watch my other videos if you want to watch more of my content. You can also subscribe to my media feeds enter my channel if you want to. I will see you guys next time. I hope you guys take care, and I will see you guys next time. Toodles!